Hello, I'm Patrick Linnell with CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by Zoetis. Plenty of things can give a cattleman wrinkles, but implanting cattle isn't one of them. Don't stress. Use 200-day Synovex 1 feedlot. Learn more at nostresssynovex.com. Economic risks are rising, but U.S. consumers are largely unfazed in spite of slowing global economic growth and ongoing trade wars that are continuing to increase the risk of a recession. In a recent survey by the Wall Street Journal, economists pegged the chance of a recession in the next 12 months at 35%, compared to 34% last month and 18% 1 year ago. The economic risks are significant enough that the Federal Reserve has flipped from a tightening cycle to now cutting rates as a hedge against a potential downturn. While the risks are clearly rising, it is impossible to predict a recession until it happens. In the meantime, economic growth is still grinding higher, which will continue to support beef demand. Consumers feel good right now, with the Bloomberg Consumer Comfort Index just shy of all-time highs set earlier this summer. There's good reason for the confidence, with the stock market trading near record levels. At just over 3,000 points in mid-September, the S&P 500 is 500 points higher than where it started the year. The headline news of stock market performance has been an excellent gauge of consumer sentiments over time, and both have continued to trend higher. Closer to home and closer to the pocketbook, the labor market continues to show gains as well. Disposable income growth slowed in July to 2.1% above a year ago, down from 2.6% in June, while the unemployment rate has held steady at a historically low 3.7%. While income growth and unemployment are off their highs, both are still positive to U.S. households. While there is still economic risk, expect beef demand to be supported as long as the consumer remains comfortable. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the volatility is extreme, the risks are big, but the opportunities for success are there. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 50 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, our focus is you. We provide a direct line of contact with you, our client, to the CattleFax team with our daily updated website, modernized mobile app, or the traditional phone conversation. CattleFax, the deciding factor. Become a member at CattleFax.com.